Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say a big thank you to you, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do Ghana braid. So I have a video on how to do a feeding braid. This video is going to be on how to do a Ghana braid. So basically, Ghana braid is like feeding braid, but the hair that you had to the hair while you're braiding will be showing. So when I'm doing my feeding braid, the hair that I'm adding to the feeding braid goes underneath, while when I'm doing my Ghana braid, the hair that I'm adding goes on top. I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. And before I get started, I want to give you guys 2 seconds just to press the subscribe button down below, and also push that bell down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. So as you can see here, I've already sectioned out my hair and put the rest of the hair away, like use the rubber band to put in a bun, or just make sure that it's not on your way while you are braiding. So you want to make sure to comb the hair, just same step as if you were learning to do a feeding braid. So I want to take a little section of hair. So before you start, you want to make sure you section all the hair that you're going to use out. This is going to be easier for you to do while, like, when you're cornrolling, or you have somebody that is sectioning the hair out for you. So I already sectioned all the hair that I'm going to use out in front of me, and I'm just going to go ahead and start doing the Ghana braid. So you want to start cornrolling. So I'm just going to start cornrolling. 1, 2. So I'm just going to start adding hair to my cornrow. I want to take an extension, and I'm going to put that extension between my ring finger and my middle finger, and I'm going to take one side, the right side of the hair, and I'm going to add that in between the hair that I'm already holding with my index and my thumb finger. So that is the cornrow that I'm already holding. I'm going to add this side, the right side, in between that hair. So I'm putting that in between my thumb and my index finger, and I'm going to let the other side go. So I'm going to just switch my hands like this, and I'm going to take this other side, and I'm going to put that in between those two other fingers. So just like this. Taking another one, putting that in between my index and my thumb, and I'm going to let that go and let it go, and I'm taking the other side and I'm tucking that in the other side. So you just want to keep doing that until you get to the end. So for me, I usually don't add. As you can see, it's turning out really pretty. See, you're getting that pattern. So for me, I usually leave some space before I add hair to my cornrow. I can cornrow sometimes 2 to 4 times before I add extension to the hair. This hairstyle is a very good protective hairstyle if you're going natural, or if you just want something simple and fast. This is how it's going to look. So if you don't want too much space in between, you just keep adding hair as you go. Okay, so that is how you will do a Ghana braid.
never reminded, never taking whatever you told me. I know what I could be, making emotion paintable inside. Tell me, is this what you made me? Every time you bring me close, and you're thickening the ghost of you, bleeding tires you've undone. I'm done, I'm done.
So that is how you do a Ghana braid. I hope you like a video like this, and if you like it, please push the subscribe button down below. Let me know which videos that you will be interested in next, and also push that bell down below so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a video. So that is all about this video here right now, and I'm going to let you guys go and say bye.